It's 358 FITU. Coming at you with the bike check today. So let's get started. So first, starting out at the top, I got ODI long neck grips with ODI barons. They're blue. Then moving down to the bars, I got kink linx. Super nice and wide. Then I got same grips and barons over here. ODI. Then moving down to the stem, profile acoustck stem. Very nice. Love it. Looks kind of big and heavy, but it's not. Then to the fork, got a fitshiv too. Super nice fork. Highly recommend it if you're getting it, or Odyssey directors. But then moving down the tire, got an Odyssey GLH animal. Why did I say Odyssey animal? Then I got Odyssey has a light rim laced to with some Odyssey nipples with Odyssey spokes laced to a Vendiro 2, Odyssey Vendiro 2 front hub. Then moving to the pedals, we got animal pedals, plastic, and I usually red pegs, but I took them off because I just got a new back rim. So, and I gotta get blue pegs because I used to ride all purple. And by the way, I got lots of new parts. I'll list them all. I got this is new stem and new grips so far, and new pedals. And then I got an blue animal bottom bracket with dust covers, which is new. Used to have purple. Then I got a shadow screem sprocket, which is new. Blue dust covers, and a shadow chain half link with fit crank. Then moving up to the seat, We the People seat. And then I got a shadow seat post, white and black. Then moving to the back rim, which is new, which I actually just got today. Finished building, and so I got a shadow rim. I think it's shadow stun, with some black nipples, which I think I have Odyssey nipples. And then with shadow spokes, and then a shadow raptor back hub. Super nice. No, I'm sorry. I did all shadow rim, and it's highlighted blue. And that's my bike, and I'm gonna do a hub sound thing. So, nice to get out. Yeah. They're nice and loud. So, hope you like my bike check. Comment, rate, and sub.